Here, I'll be guiding you guys on how to use Vanilla gift card on Amazon. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna go ahead to Amazon.com and then you're gonna click on these three dots on the left hand side and you're gonna scroll down. From here on, you're gonna open this option of gift cards, or I'll show you another way. So you can click on your account. Once you're here, you're gonna go ahead and click gift cards. Now, once you're here, you can see your current gift card balance. So now, so now, what we have to do is we'll have to use our vanilla gift card and load money into our account because that's a good way to do it. And then you can use this balance to purchase anything you want. So I'm gonna click on purchase a gift card. So now once I'm here, I'm gonna go ahead and click on the first one because that's the Amazon gift card. And once I'm here, I'm gonna see an option. For example, I can change the amount. So let's say I'm just gonna go for this amount, and you can type in an email to who you're gonna send it to. So obviously, you're gonna put your own emails, which you can access. So you can type in any email. Once that is done, you can go ahead and click on Buy Now. So I'm gonna wait for it. And now once that is done, now vanilla gift cards usually go under a debit card. So you can click on add a credit or a debit card. And once you're here, you're gonna go ahead and type in the card information from your vanilla gift card. You can go ahead and type that in. You can go ahead and type the name on the card. It can be anything. And you can go ahead and type in the expiration date and then you can click on add your card. So now your vanilla gift card will be successfully added and you can go ahead and make your purchase. Now once you make your purchase, the the amount of gift card you bought, so let's say in my case I bought it for 25 dirhams. Now this is going to be loaded into my account. And now what I can do is I can use this balance to purchase anything else on the Amazon website. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.